is materialistic.
Yeah.
And that's part of the origin of our problem. So this way of thinking, the Gaian way of thinking, if it lacks a moral and spiritual dimension, it may not promote right behavior, right law. It may promote either despair or fatalism. You know what I mean by fatalism?
Oh yeah, I know.
Is that now the many matters of religion are open to everyone to talk. So this, I think this, the dialogue or the meeting between people of different religion must not be, I will say, confined into something outside of the belief. Also the belief, we can talk about it. At least we can share the belief, we can share the experience of God, the experience of religion with people of other religions.
Kalau kita cuma menilai satu-satu, nggak bisa. Kita nggak duduk sama mereka. Duduklah sama mereka, baru kita bisa tahu. Kumpul ke masyarakat, ke agama Buddha, ke agama Kristen, ke agama ini segala macam. Duduk sama-sama, nggak ada masalah.
Sincerity, I think, is one of the fundamental kernels of all religion, of any religion. Without sincerity, religions have no meaning. A religion is meaningless because sincerity comes from the very deep heart of a believer. And within the framework of sincerity, a believer will open space to others to be different from him. But still, in the framework of humanity, we are brothers. We are brothers, so we are different.
We're going to visit Vihara, and the students from our theological seminary learn how to do meditation.
In a way, the most important result of this conference is relationships. Relationships of trust and mutual respect. And we are hopeful that the relationships that have been built between different people, not that they will change the positions of people, or, hopefully we'll all change our positions as we grow and learn from each other. How do we build from what we have here? And probably the most clear answer and the simplest answer is, I don't know, but I'm sure that it will be something. It's clear from everybody who is involved that they want to go on, that nobody wants this to stop here.
We don't want to stop here. This is something that has potentials. And so we were talking about what came out of the workshops and what came out of this conference. What would be a good topic to continue this, what is originally called bridge building project? The whole world can learn from each other. Thank you very much, and blessings on all of you.
Brahma Sante, Sarvam Sante, Santireva Sante, Samma Santiredi.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Praise be to the Lord, the honor of the Day of Judgment. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the most gracious, the most merciful.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa.
Our Father, we want to thank you that we have all been created by you. We thank you for the earth that you have given as a living space for each one. We thank you for the face that we see in each other.